Have you ever studied biology for hours, understood the concepts, memorized your notes, and still received a lower grade than you expected? Many biology students have this problem. The problem is not always that they do not know enough biology. The problem is that they do not know how to turn their biology knowledge into exam marks. Biology exams do not only test what you know. They test how you apply your knowledge, how you analyze information, and how you communicate your answer. In this video, I will show you the 5 biggest exam technique mistakes that prevent many biology students from achieving the highest grades. These strategies apply to IB Biology, A-Level Biology, IGCSE Biology, and AP Biology. Welcome to BioExam Coach. I am Dr. Reza. My goal is to help biology students improve their exam performance by focusing on concepts, past papers, mark schemes, and exam techniques. After many years teaching biology, I have noticed one important pattern. Many students think the solution is simply studying more content. Of course, understanding biology is essential. But high grades require more than knowledge. You need to know how to use your knowledge in the exam. Today, I will explain the mistakes that stop students from reaching their potential. Mistake number 1, thinking that knowing biology is enough. Many students believe, if I understand the topic, I will get the marks. But exams do not work like this. 2 students can know the same biology content. They can both understand enzymes. They can both know that temperature affects enzyme activity. But when they answer an exam question, one student gets full marks and the other loses marks. Why? Because exams reward specific answers. For example, the question asks, explain why enzyme activity decreases at high temperature. A weak answer might say, high temperatures damage enzymes and slow their reaction. This shows some understanding, but it does not explain the mechanism. A stronger answer would say, high temperatures break bonds that maintain the enzyme's tertiary structure. The active site changes shape, so the substrate is no longer complementary. Fewer enzyme-substrate complexes form, reducing the reaction rate. The difference is not only biology knowledge. The difference is exam technique. To achieve high grades, you need 3 skills. First, understand the biology. Second, understand what the question is asking. Third, write your answer using the key points expected by the mark scheme. Many students only practice the first skill. They learn information, but they do not practice applying information. That is why they lose marks. Mistake number 2, ignoring common terms. Common terms are one of the most important parts of biology exams. They tell you what type of answer the examiner wants. For example, describe means give the characteristics or features. Explain means give reasons and show understanding. Compare means show similarities and differences. Evaluate means consider evidence and make a judgment. Many students answer every question in the same way. They write everything they know. But exams are not asking, tell me everything about this topic. They are asking, answer this specific question. For example, compare aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. A weak answer describes aerobic respiration and then describes anaerobic respiration. A stronger answer directly compares them. Aerobic respiration requires oxygen, whereas anaerobic respiration does not. Aerobic respiration produces more ATP, whereas anaerobic respiration produces less ATP. The common term changes the structure of your answer. Top students do not only learn biology, they learn how to answer biology questions. Mistake number 3, studying without using mark schemes. Your textbook teaches you biology. Your teacher explains biology. But the mark scheme teaches you how marks are awarded. This is a major difference. A student can write a scientifically correct answer and still lose marks because they missed the key marking points. After every past paper question, do not only check your score. Study the mark scheme. Ask yourself, what point did I miss? What words did the examiner expect? How could I improve this answer? This is how exam technique develops. The mark scheme is not only for checking answers, it is a training tool. Mistake number 4, using past papers only at the end of revision. Many students think, first I will finish all my biology content, then I will start past papers. This is a mistake. Past papers should not be the final step. They should be the part of your learning process. Past papers show you what topics appear frequently, how questions are structured, what mistakes students commonly make, how examiners award marks. The best students do not just complete past papers. They analyze them. They learn from every mistake. They improve every answer. Mistake number 5, not analyzing mistakes. This is the habit that separates average students from top students. After losing marks, many students simply look at their score and move on. Top students ask, why did I lose this mark? Was it because I did not know the biology? Was it because I misunderstood the question? Was it because my explanation was incomplete? Was it because I used the wrong terminology? Every mistake is information. Every mistake shows you what to improve. A student who analyzes mistakes improves much faster than a student who only studies more. So, how should you prepare for a biology exam? Use this simple system. Step 1, learn the concept. Step 2, practice exam questions. Step 3, check the mark scheme. Step 4, identify your mistakes. Step 5, improve your answer. Repeat this process. This is how knowledge becomes marks. Whether you are studying IB Biology, A-Level, IGCSE, or AP Biology, the principle is the same. The highest grades do not come from memorizing the most information. They come from understanding biology and mastering exam technique. If you want to improve your biology exam performance, start by changing the way you practice. Do not only study more. Study smarter. I would like to know, which biology exam are you preparing for? IB Biology, A-Level Biology, IGCSE, or AP Biology? Write it in the comments. I will create more exam strategies for your specific course. This is Dr. Reza from Bio Exam Coach.